Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Still on the Ultimate Love Show, let me take you through the romantic couples on Ultimate Love. Romantic scenes cannot be far away from a relationship reality TV show like Ultimate Love, especially with the aim of getting housemates married. The organizers of the show have set some standards to ensure that in the bid of searching for love and engaging in romance, the show does not turn to an adult movie. The host of the show, referred to as Aunty, stressed to the love guests that sex will not be allowed on the show. So we know that no matter how romantic you are, there is an existing boundary. Sometimes when the love guests meet her up in their section, she asks if they have keys. That might be a pointer that kissing might not be a sin on the show after all. As early as the first week of the show, one of the already checked out love guests, Louis, was tagged the most unromantic housemate, but his partner Jenny Coco came to his rescue saying he is romantic in his way. Intimacy between a man and a woman has level and depth, and this grows with time. Love, emotion, and interest might also be determined in measuring how far opposite sex engage with themselves. Couples on Ultimate Love. Before checking out began on Ultimate Love, there were 11 couples in the love part, and they are Michelle, Double Chris, Fresh David, J-Ketch, Jeritin, Ikrisa, Roxy, Obiebi, Bola, Jello, and Chivia. Checked out couples for now. 3 couples have been checked out of the show, and that is one of the things contestants dread so much on a show like this. Michelle was the first couple to be shown the exit door, followed by Jeritin and then Jello. These 3 had their moments on the show, but it was cut short, so whatever they were able to do for themselves on the show is left to them after they have left the show. But the obvious thing is that they can't be on the ultimate love couple. They can't be the ultimate couple on this Pauna edition of Ultimate Love. Most romantic couple. Taking a critical look at the couples on the Ultimate Love show, not all of them can make it to this competition. Therefore, only 3 of the remaining 8 couples will be contesting for this position. Contesting couples: Roxy, Ikrisa, and Double Chris. Roxy. Roxy is a couple on Ultimate Love show. In case you didn't know, Kachi is the guy, Rosie is the lady in this relationship. The story behind their coming together might not be relevant at this point, but we can't just forget the kiss Rosie got for David. That might be the beginning of the romance of the show, or maybe for Rosie and David. After fate brought this couple together, it took them time to open up to each other, and romance seems so far away from them. But you know how we say, it's never say never. After a while, when Rosie seems to be over with whatever she went through while she was with David, she came around and the romance started. This couple has used the spark from their relationship to lighten up the love part and the Ultimate Love show entirely. These couples have been seen kissing almost in all parts of the love part. It does not matter who is there or who is absent. As far as Rosie sees catching and their lips are intact, the kissing can begin. While some other couples do their kissing under the duvet, Rosie doesn't. Apart from the kissing, they are found cuddling, sitting closely. Verbal expression of their love is constant, though they seem to apply maturity to all of this. They did not forget at any moment that they have found love. They also have given themselves pet names like babe, my love, and any other sweet name that comes to mind. Ikrisa. Ike and Teresa are the youngest love guests who are the youngest on the Ultimate Love show, and they have to love themselves. Not only have they told each other that they love themselves, but they also have not ceased to show to anyone who pay attention to them. Right before pairing was done, they have already stuck to each other, and that sent strong signal all around. Ike and Teresa, in one of their chats, said that it was impossible for them to be together for the duration of the Ultimate Love show and not kiss or have sex. Ike stated that even if they have sex on the show, their parents would have forgotten about it before they return home and would be proud of them in the end. After this discussion, the fire of romance was ignited and then the movie began. They began to kiss, which is a step higher from the cuddling and the under duvet posture. This couple might not have been seen opening doing thing, might not have been seen in opening doing thing, but they spend most time stuck together on bed, well covered. Double Chris. Chrisville and Chris are a pair to look for on the Ultimate Love reality show, and you must be ready for some mature, interesting time with them. It has not been clear if these two are seriously romantically inclined, but few sparks were coming from them. During their session with Aunty, they both agreed that they like themselves, and translating this into love will be the next level to consider. They agree that the likeness from the two of them is 10/10. Either they love themselves now or they are planning to proceed into the love zone. There are some romantic moves in their camp. Chris told Aunty that they have been kissing and that is wow. They now sleep together. They have found their bodies an excellent mattress to lay. Chrisville was the only guy in the house who carried his woman on the International Women's Day. Chris has literally withdrawn to spend more time with Chrisville to the point that her friends in the love pad are missing her. Awarding. Out of these three couples, there must be one who will take up this crown. There are different ways that they have employed to show how romantic they are, and we can't tell how far they can go. But with what we have, who do you think this cap will fit? Will it be Roxy, Icrisa or Double Chris? Share your thoughts in the section below. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.